Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A03s and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find apps. Now we have to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner, and at the very bottom of the list we've got reset up preferences. And as you can see right now, your device is telling you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, notification restrictions for apps, default apps, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so just tap on reset. And actually, this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in your Samsung Galaxy A03s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.